AirPods work seamlessly with an iPhone, and they seem to work pretty fine if you want to pair them with an Android device too. But one of the major problems till now while pairing AirPods with an Android phone was that it was tough to find out how much battery was left in them. But that's in the past, as it's no more of an issue now. We tell you how to check your AirPods battery on an Android smartphone. First of all, if you've got a new pair of AirPods and don't know how to pair them with your phone, well, that's easy too. Just turn on Bluetooth on your phone and select Pair New Device. Now open the lid of the AirPods case and press and hold the button on the back while you tap on the AirPods name that flashes on your phone screen. Just follow the prompts that come on the screen and the AirPods will be connected. Now go to the Play Store and search for the app Air Battery by George Friedrich and install it. Once done, you can take out your AirPods, tap on the app you just installed, give it location access and you're sorted. Now you can see how much battery is left in both of the AirPods. And if you want to check the battery left in the case, just put the AirPods back and let the lid remain open and tap on Air Battery app, and now it will show you the battery percentage of the AirPods as well as the case. So thanks for watching. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments if you found this helpful, and for all things tech, log on to Gadgets360.com.